Greetings, traders out there in Trader Land. My name's Dez here at Grok Trade. It's March 14th, 2011. And we have the markets taking a little bit of a hit here today, but we did bounce back from some lows. We have the Dow down 0.4%, S&P down 0.6%, about the same here on the Nasdaq and Russell's. The banks down 0.75%, so fared worse than the major indices. Banks increasing by, or I'm sorry, the VIX increasing by 5%. Gold doing very nicely, almost up 0.5%. Dollar down almost 0.5%. Crude oil also up a bit. However, there for a while it was down. It was and crude has been dropping almost 5 straight sessions. Interesting to see, but with all the tragedy taking place there in Japan, which is the third largest economy in the world. I mean, these guys are doing over $200 billion annually. And as far as America is concerned, this economy is the fourth largest one that we trade with. But the Nikkei really dropped quite a bit overnight, 6% plus, and we woke up to some real sobering numbers. Last night we started getting word of it, and but they ended up, I mean, there's several Toyota, there's a number of different stocks that did not trade. I believe they even halted trading for a while because of the sell-off taking place, but they pumped, I'm going off of memory here, like $148 billion into the markets to stabilize it, to give it a shot in the arm. And it'd be interesting to see what tonight brings when they wake back up and the markets start again. But our thoughts and prayers are certainly with all of them out there. And let's see, anything else here. That's about it. All right, let's look here at the charts. Look at the daily chart here on the S&P. And for those that watch my morning video, I did a morning video saying that the markets were going to open down. We did gap down, we dropped. I said look forward for a big drop, and maybe even as low as this line down here. I said in my video look for around 1283. We didn't do that. We stopped at 1286, and then I said to watch for a hammer by day's end. And by the hammer, that gives us a nice bullish formation looking into the next few days. These hammers, anytime you get a hammer at the bottom, is hammering things out. So it's hammering out the bottom, looking for a nice bullish reversal tomorrow. Thing that I'm watching for here is the 50-day moving average. That's that red line coming up that's acting as resistance right now. We need to get over that. I think 1306 area ish, 1306, 1308, these areas, that's going to be a real thick area. See all the trend lines that I have right here? They all converge together. That's going to be a tough area of resistance. I look for it to hit up there as our high for tomorrow. Not saying we can't go any higher. Let me say this first. If we go higher than today, Monday, if we go higher, I think that will be our high. If we can also chew through the 50-day moving average. If not, we don't make a higher high. I see us staying below 1300. If we stay below 1300, I could see us staying above that 1295 right here. I could see us having a another hammer or something, a small day here. But the part that we would not want to see, if we close below 1290, we're in a heap of trouble. Okay, so watch that going into tomorrow. I don't have any plans tomorrow night. I'm thinking about putting together a webinar, and I'll do a 101 course that I'll teach tomorrow night. It'll be free to all you subscribers or users of the website. It's free to anybody. I'll put the link inside the calendar on the front page of freeonlinetradingeducation.com. Hopefully I have that done by this evening. And, it will be a virtual classroom. So first come, first serve. And anybody that wants to join us for some free instructional time, that'd be great. And that'd be it. Take care. Safe trading to each and every one of you. And let's make some money out there in the markets.